Okay, so let's review Royal Steels Mills Limited website. So we have the homepage, about page, the products page, gallery page, contact us page, and also the client insisted that we have the location well visible. That's why we have added the location on the top bar. Okay, scrolling down, you can be able to see good call to actions such as our products, contact us. Scrolling down, you can be able to see about us and a good video about the company, and also you can be able to see our products. And trust me, all these products images, we visited the site and then we're able to take professional photo shoot, professional videos, and then we use it on the website. So if you're a factory owner, we do site visits. Scrolling down, you can be able to see our impact. Scrolling down, also you can be able to see why choose us, a testimonial section, a request a quote option here, and also a well laid out footer. Okay, so at the end of the day, this client can be able to extend the website to introduce a shop section so that consumers shop from the factory and then they get delivered their products. So it's really possible if you are a factory owner, you can be able to get a well functioning website that meets your factory requirements and needs. If you need a factory website, DM me with the word factory and I'll get back to you with a good detailed proposal on how we do websites for industries. Thank you.